Howdy YouTubers, here we go again. Tuesday, June 16th. Another Amazon Prime unboxing or unbagging. So you guys can get one at a low cost. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. And of course, take advantage of the fast shipping. This is coming from New Style, I do believe. Oh boy. There you go. That's it for that. Yeah, let's see, this is from, HOMIEE. Okay. It's coming from HOMIEE, HOMIEE. Let's see what we have here. Got a nice case, or what is this? It's a 13-inch MacBook sleeve portable felt case for Apple new MacBook Pro Retina 12-inch Air. Alright. Bam. Now there's for the little case. A little pouch. I need to put other things in it too. Let's see how big it is. Go. Alright. Not bad, not bad. Look at that. Untangle it right. Oh, that was easy. Look at that. Boom, nice depth. Not bad material at all. Easy to boom. Boom. Bada boom. Pretty cool. Now this one. Laptops, tablets. So you can use it for other tablets also. And what? Mostly designed for the iMacs and stuff like that. Okay. Oh, this one's this kind. You go whoop, whoosh, and other stuff you could probably hold in here. Oh yeah, nice depth, deep pockets. Side too for other stuff. Boom, boom. Charger cables. Oh, you can put it on your seat, back seat, boom. Strap that on. Nice. Check them out, YouTubers. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these from HOMIEE, Amazon Prime. Until then, be safe and see you soon. See ya.